मैं आपको बताने वाला हूं दो शॉकिंग फैक्ट्स और एक प्लेजेंट सरप्राइज। शॉकिंग फैक्ट नंबर वन, 400 मिलियन 400 मिलियन पीपल जो हैं दे आर स्टिल वेटिंग टू मूव। उनके पास अभी भी फीचर फोन है एंड दे आर येट टू मूव टू अ स्मार्टफोन। और जो मेन रीजन दैट दे आर नॉट मूविंग, 400 मिलियन पीपल आर नॉट मूविंग टू अ स्मार्टफोन, क्या है? वो इस चीज से डरते हैं दैट स्मार्टफोन जो है ना बहुत ही फ्रेजाइल होते हैं, बहुत डेलिकेट होते हैं। इतने सालों से फीचर फोन यूज कर रहे हैं। फीचर फोन जो होते हैं छोटे से होते हैं, बहुत ही छोटे, और उनकी जो स्क्रीन होती है वो और भी छोटी होती है। अगर वो फीचर फोन गिर भी जाए तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली कुछ नहीं होने वाला उस फीचर फोन को, इट सर्वाइव्स इट। बट वो लोग एक स्मार्टफोन को देखते हैं, दे लाइक अरे यार ये गिर गया तो ये तो गया। इसीलिए मार्केट में नो पीपल हैव बीन स्क्रीमिंग फॉर अ स्मार्टफोन दैट इज बिल्ट लाइक अ टैंक। मतलब हो स्मार्टफोन लेकिन फीचर फोन जैसे सॉलिड हो, इवन मोर सॉलिड देन अ फीचर फोन इन फैक्ट। और मैं भी आई बीन टेलिंग ब्रांड्स फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम कि ये गोल्ड माइन है, मेक अ फोन लाइक दैट। नाउ फॉर शॉकिंग फैक्ट नंबर टू, someone did listen, and not only did they come up with a phone built like a tank, actually they went one step further, आगे निकल गए, and they even made the glass on the phone, the whole phone is now military grade। और ये जो phone है it's designed and built in India by an Indian company, so literally जो है ये world first हो गया। Let's applaud them for doing what no one else has done। literally करते हैं। This is the Lava Z1 built in collaboration with Corning, और इसमें है military grade specs। अब companies like Lava जो हैं, they have been at the forefront जो है ना, they've been lowering the entry barrier, they've been raising the quality experience of these cheap smartphones, budget smartphones। बहुत टाइम से they've been actually playing in this market। लेकिन अब जो है जो वर्ल्ड स्टैंडर्ड उन्होंने निकाला है फॉर अ टफ फोन, अ मिलिट्री ग्रेड फोन, दिस इज अमेजिंग। और जो कॉर्निंग है, आपको पता है 8 बिलियन फोन्स यूज कॉर्निंग ग्लास, 45 डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स यूज कॉर्निंग गोरिल्ला ग्लास। और जो डिमांड है फॉर बजट फोन्स इन इंडिया इज एब्सोल्युटली ह्यूज। तो इन सब चीज़ों को आप कंबाइन कर दीजिए एंड देयर इट इज, यू हैव द लावा Z1। इंडियन ब्रांड, सेटअप इन इंडिया, डिज़ाइन इन इंडिया। इनफैक्ट जो लावा की नोएडा फैक्ट्री है, उनकी कैपेसिटी है टू प्रोड्यूस 40 मिलियन फोन्स एवरी ईयर। सो लाइक आई सेड, समथिंग टू बी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दैट दे आर डूइंग समथिंग लाइक दिस। अब लावा ने देव टीम्ड अप विद द पीपल एट कॉर्निंग टू प्रोड्यूस अ वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट, लाइक आई सेड, a phone design in India that is military grade, Indian made military grade smartphone, and on top of that your phone head starts off at around 5,000 rupees, 5,499। MIL STD 810 certification है इसमें, जो कि यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स मिलिट्री स्टैंडर्ड है, that emphasizes on tailoring and equipment। जो उनका डिज़ाइन है, environmental डिज़ाइन है, and they test it to the limit कि जो कितनी भी conditions में से जाएगा, it will actually experience and survive it through its entire life। का मतलब जो लावा Z1 है, it's certified to survive day-to-day usage better, thus increasing its life or shelf life भी, which is very positive news, especially for those 400 million Indian consumers जो कि shift करना चाहते हैं from a feature phone to a smartphone, but they have been a little afraid। Now they have a well-built, long-lasting, Indian-made option। And now after those two shocking facts, here's a very, very nice surprise। मेरे साथ हैं दो बहुत ही special guests, डॉक्टर जयमिन अमीन जो है वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एंड जनरल मैनेजर कॉर्निंग गोरिल्ला ग्लास, और उनके साथ ज्वाइनिंग मी इज सुनील रैना, प्रेसिडेंट एंड बिजनेस हेड for Lava International, and we're going to actually find out from them ये जो idea आया to make a phone like this, कैसे आया, किसने उसको सोचा, who first thought about it, and why didn't they do it till now? So hello gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me on the show। Jumping straight into the most obvious question, who came up with this idea of this collaboration? जो लावा है उन्होंने पहले कॉर्निंग को अप्रोच किया, कॉर्निंग ने बोला हम कर सकते हैं। How did that actually happen?
Thanks so much again, Rajiv, for having us. We have a great relationship with Lava. We have worked with them in the past, and it's a very symbiotic relationship between the two companies. The partnership on the new Z1 device was actually Lava's idea from the standpoint of getting manufacturing done in India and coming up with a phone that can really resonate with the internal market in India. Corning came in when Lava approached us for our help relative to the design. They had a design concept in mind, and they wanted to make sure that we could work with them on how to make the device more robust with our glass. So it ended up being very much a partnership, but really the original idea was all Lava.
अच्छा, मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, जैसे मैंने कहा अब इतने टाइम से there has been this problem of people having this problem with moving from a feature phone to a smartphone. Why are you doing it now? मतलब पहले क्यों नहीं किया? Corning Gorilla Glass has always had the technology. Corning Gorilla Glass 3, Lava has always known this market. So why wasn't this done before?
So one thing is, over the last couple of years, what has happened is that the interest in shifting to smartphones has really gone higher, and but at the same time, the affordability barrier still exists. So, most of the time, if you see the devices which are trying to bridge the gap between a feature phone and a smartphone experience, most of the time there are compromises on the hardware, compromises on the quality, compromise on the experience, because of which consumers really don't find it right decision to go for a smartphone. Now, we believe the shift from feature phones to smartphones is going to accelerate at a much higher pace in the times to come. Therefore, to bridge that gap, both in terms of the price, which is now happening because of the hardware prices coming down, also in terms of the experience, that gap still needs to be bridged. And we believe now that the acceleration in the shift from feature phones to smartphones is going to happen faster. So it is the right time for us to really work on design of a phone which can take care of the needs of a large set of consumers who are now wanting to shift from feature phones to smartphones. So that's the reason why we are able to do it now, and also one more reason is because of our own capability that we have built in India in terms of setting up our own R&D center. So when you're dependent on external resources, so that you don't really get that full control on the experience of the phone. Now that the whole setup is with us, we are running the R&D center in India, so we are now confident that what we do for consumers will really be valuable for them.
Sunil, why did you specially choose Corning? आपने Corning को क्यों चूज किया? मतलब इस प्राइस पॉइंट में जो आपने लावा Z1 निकाला है, क्या कंज्यूमर्स को नॉलेज है अबाउट Corning? डू दे नो अबाउट दिस ब्रांड? इनकी ब्रांड प्रेजेंस है वहां पे?
So, we are the market leaders in the feature phone segment, and we also know that it is inevitable in terms of the shift from feature phones to smartphones. Consumers will move from feature phones to smartphones, but at the same time, there are these key requirements that feature phone consumers have, which need to be retained when they move to smartphones. Now, when we did our research with these consumers, and we've been working with these consumers for a very long time now, so we figured out that the topmost priority at the time of purchase for a phone is durability. And that's where we wanted to solve that particular problem, because when you move to a smartphone, your display size gets bigger, and therefore the most delicate part of the phone is the display. And that's where we thought we must find a solution to the problem, and so that there is enough confidence among consumers that when they use this phone, it won't break easily. So that's when we reached out to the Corning team, because there's no doubt in the fact that Corning is the toughest glass in the world. But what was important for us, that how do we make it much more durable at the design level itself, so that these consumers can get the experience, can get the durability that they seek from a device. And that's when we spoke to the Corning team. The two engineering teams worked together, and the output is that this is the device which we believe is one of the most durable phones in the world, so to say.
ये मैं आपसे पता करना चाहता हूँ, why is Corning Gorilla Glass used by so many brands, 45 brands, 8 billion devices? ये जो push है, consumers demand करते हैं, do they expect it now कि without Corning a phone doesn't make sense?
That's another great question, Rajiv. I think there are a few things. First, I think the momentum really comes from the innovations. We are always ahead of the game when it comes to our innovations. We're always trying to innovate 2 or 3 cycles ahead of where we are at the present day. Secondly, we work with great partners like Lava. Corning has phenomenal relationships with customers. We tend to work extremely closely with our customers, working hand in hand with them to design devices. We also bring all of our modeling capabilities and our scientific knowledge to the floor in relationships and make sure that they have access to them. Lastly, I think the brand plays a big role. It's built up significantly over the past decade and we use it with key OEMs like Lava to get critical brand recognition around the world.
Jaimin, last question to you. I also want to know कि इसमें कोई modification की ये military grade phone बना है. It's Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Have you done anything different, and what are the end benefits that a user should actually focus on? What's the user proposition for someone buying this?
So typically, Rajiv, glasses aren't military certified. It's the actual device design that gets certified through a whole series of tests that you have to do in order to make sure that it meets all of the military grade requirements. Gorilla Glass 3 is a glass that came out a few years ago, and it's one of our best-selling glasses that we've had in our portfolio. It's an extremely durable glass, has a very high scratch resistance, but it also comes at a different price point than some of our more recent glasses. Compared to glasses that have been in the market, many of these entry-level phones may have alternative glasses in them like Soda Lime. Gorilla Glass 3 is significantly more scratch resistant. It is also more durable than Soda Lime. The combination of that, as well as the design that we worked on with Lava, is what makes that phone a military-grade phone.
Thank you, Dr. Jaimin, and thank you, Sunil Raina, for joining me. Great innovation in something that is the need of the hour. I think we all should be very, very proud. Now, this does sound like a very promising start. ये जो है, it has happened now. It always happens in the world of technology कि कोई एक फीचर है शुरू होता है, बहुत expensive flagship phones पे शुरू होता है, और उसके बाद जो है आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके it comes down to a budget phone. It starts showing up on budget devices. यहाँ पे उल्टा हो रहा है. Opposite seems to have happened out here कि ये जो military grade phone है that starts off from a 5,000 rupee budget section phone. I hope one day every phone, including super flagship 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh रुपए जो phones हैं, they are built and designed to military grade specs. मतलब our lives will change. I really hope the push for durability expands onto all devices. हमारे सब के पास जो है phone होना चाहिए military grade, literally for our hands, our pockets, our laps. तब आएगा ना असली मजा.